Hello, where are we going?
Hello, I think Jean-Bois for practice.
Okay.
As a kid, who was your favorite tennisman? Well, I remember I didn't watch much tennis, so I had posters of my wall who was Evgeny Kafelnikov, definitely, then Marcelo Rios and Mario Washington. I think these guys are just different, and I like different people, you know.
So you follow tennis, but I heard that your family is into cyclists.
My dad, he met my mom. He was coaching her. She won 6 world championships. She was really good in sprint, and she had 20 world record. He's a great coach, very tough one. So I'm very happy he told me to go and play tennis instead of training with him, because I would not afford it, because it was very difficult. So our French guy is romantic. I have not dated a French guy, but I think for me the French language sounds very sexy, you know, sounds very attractive. What player present the biggest challenge to you? Well, definitely I think it used to be Justin Henin when she was playing, because I won against her 2 times, but the most of them I lost, but we had great matches. And now there is so many girls, but now I guess Dinara, Safina, she's #1, so she's tough to compete against, but it's always nice, you know. I like to have difficult matches. I think on these matches you just grow and in your level in tennis so much, so it's very important to play them.
Thanks for everything.
Thank you very much. It was a pleasure to be here with you. I'll go practice, prepare for my tomorrow's competition.
Yes.
All the best.
All the best.